You hanging out in the chair? Hi. What you doing? Got your hand on your knee? Gotta put your pants on. Can you smile? Yes, sir. Hi. Hi. You want your hair brushed? Hi. You're a big boy in the chair. Yeah. What are you doing, big boy? Fisher, look over here. Look at your mama. Not there. Look over here. Look over here. You smiling? You can play faces? Boo. He smile. He smile. Oh. Oh. You just put clean clothes on. No barfing yet. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.